I built a multi-million dollar business, but I spent years being the most underpaid person in the room. Not because I lacked skill and not because my clients weren't getting results, but because I had the expertise, but I didn't know how to package it. So when I had that unlock and I was able to figure out how to package my expertise, it took me from trading all of my hours for income into creating a $5 million a year business. And we've now helped thousands of people turn their knowledge, their skill set, their expertise into highly scalable 6 and 7 figure businesses in pretty much every niche that you can imagine. Because there is a massive difference that you need to be aware of between being highly skilled and knowledgeable and having a scalable asset built around what you know. One pays you once in exchange for your time, the other pays you repeatedly, whether you show up or not. So today I'm going to walk you through how to turn your existing knowledge, your skills into a business that can grow beyond your time. And if you want the full blueprint of how to actually do this for yourself, comment business plan below this video. We'll send you the link to access our free knowledge bank business plan that will help you put this into action immediately. So let's get into it. Most experienced professionals, and I was absolutely one of them, have this deep, hard-won knowledge. They are genuinely excellent at what they do, but nobody ever taught them how to extract that knowledge, organize it, and structure it. And that becomes a sellable transformation. So that's really the difference between being good at what you do and having built a product around what you do that can impact way more people than you can with just trading your time. So one is a skill, the other is an asset. And a skill requires your presence every single time to get the result. An asset works and gets results without you having to constantly be there. So when I was running my consulting business, I was excellent at my craft. I was repeating the same core strategies with every client, and I actually didn't even realize it. So that's a huge thing. You might be repeating strategies over and over again, so pay close attention because that's the gold of what could turn into an asset. So the frameworks, the breakdowns, the outcomes, it was all living in my head, and it was getting delivered one-to-one, 1 hour at a time, on repeat, in silos. And that's really when I had this light bulb moment of, oh, the methodology is actually already there. I just hadn't packaged it. And that cost me in such a massive way. So in time, in income, and eventually in my health as well, with a massive burnout that landed me in the hospital. So the packaging process is what converts expertise from a job into an asset that works for you. So the first and most critical packaging decision is choosing one ideal client, one starting point, and one transformation. Sounds simple, but this is where people get really tripped up. Most people try to help everyone and they end up helping no one. We call the opposite of that market of one. So you want to be sure that you are not owning an industry, but you're owning one exact critical problem for one exact person. So this is the phrase that we use to help map this out. It is what we call a transformation statement. It can also be called a unique selling proposition. You got to have this dialed because this is the foundation of everything you're going to do moving forward. So I help specific person go from specific zero state to specific hero state so that they can achieve a specific outcome. That's it. So like I said, that sentence, it might sound really simple, but if you don't have that dialed, you do not have a foundation to grow your business from. And the more specific it is, the more powerful it actually becomes. We always like to say broad equals broke and precise equals profit. So if your offer is not landing, you want to come back to the foundational piece and this really, really simple piece to make sure that everything else can work from there. Messaging becomes better, sales become easier, all of that stuff starts to click. Because when you try to help everyone, your marketing speaks to no one and it's just not landing or working. So when you're radically specific, the right person sees your content at the right time and thinks, holy smokes, that's exactly for me. So that's when the business really starts to tick along. If you're having a hard time coming up with that sentence, be sure to comment business plan below because inside of our Knowledge Bank business plan, which is totally free, you will actually be able to access a tool that will help you create that transformation statement in a matter of minutes so you don't obsess and get into analysis paralysis over it. So just comment business plan, we'll send you the link to access that on demand. So a great example of this is Kirby. He's one of our clients and he's a short-term rental specialist. So he helps working professionals who have families to support go from from feeling stuck in a corporate job to acquiring their first high cash flowing short-term rental so they can generate passive income and ultimately replace their salary. That is very specific starting point, specific outcome, specific person, which is what we're aiming for. So he's not saying I help people invest in real estate, which is what most people would do and it wouldn't land. His specificity is why he's been so successful with this program. So Kirby committed to that clarity from the start. So he raised his prices 4 different times over the years, and he's actually generated over $1 million in revenue. So that is really the market of one in action. It's the simplest yet hardest thing for people to do. So use that tool in the Knowledge Bake Business Plan to help you get there. So before you build anything, you need to know exactly who you're building it for and exactly what they're going to walk away with. So how do you do this? Well, we call it extracting the methodology. This is the part most people completely skip. Please don't, I beg of you, because you're going to pay for it later and not in a nice way. So your package program already exists in your head. It does. The packaging process is about pulling it out, okay? It's the extraction process. So here's what I want you to do right now. I want you to think about maybe the last 10 people that you've worked with or the last 10 conversations you've had about your area of expertise, okay? What do you find yourself explaining over and over and over again? What feels easy to you but so difficult to the people who actually need your help? What were the questions that kept coming up for you? What are your FAQs? What were the steps that you walked people through in every single occasion? That right there is your curriculum. We call this the repetition audit. So what you've been repeating to different people, that's the backbone. When somebody asks to pick your brain, pay attention to what they're asking for, because usually it's a repetitive thing, and that's at the core of this. And here's what I'll tell you, from working with thousands of professionals, 80% of what most one-to-one practitioners do is identical across clients, myself included, when I was doing this work way back in the day. The customization is in the delivery, not in the core framework. Your framework is already there. We just need to map it. So the process is called 0 to hero mapping. So you start at your client's most ideal state, their hero outcome, and then you reverse engineer and work backwards to bridge the gap and identify how to take them from their 0 state, their most in pain state, all the way up to the hero state. That sequence is your program. So your methodology is your curriculum. You don't build a program, you extract one. Make sense? I think it's really important to understand this next point, which again, most people don't really either want to accept or think they know how to do this in a smarter way, and then it ends up costing them years and time and energy down the road. You do not need a finished program to start selling. Okay, you need what we call a POP, a profitable offer prototype. This is the piece that trips people up the most. They end up spending months, sometimes even years, building a perfect program. Every module polished, every video recorded, every slide designed, and then nobody buys it. It's crickets. It's not because the content was bad, but that's where people go. The problem is that it was never validated. So the profitable offer prototype, what we call the POP, it's this bare bones version of your program. So it's designed to be delivered live, tested in the real world, refined based on actual feedback from your actual clients, and you don't need a platform. You don't need a funnel, and you certainly don't need fancy tech for this. Okay, so we teach this in a way where it's Google Docs, seriously, and Zoom. That's enough. So what you actually need, and most people skip, which is the thing that makes this sell, is your offer clarity and your ideal client clarity. You then get paid to build your program, not the other way around. Right? So you create cash flow and proof and confidence in the offer before it's even officially built. So how do you actually get crystal clear on those two things? It is all rooted in that transformation statement. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's done right. I want you to compare these two and see how they land for you. Number 1, I help people invest in real estate. Number 2, I help working professionals who have a family to support go from feeling stuck in a corporate job and staring down a future of retiring at 65 to acquiring their first high cash flowing short-term rental so they can generate passive income and ultimately replace their salary. That gives you a clear who and what, okay? So same expertise, completely different positioning. That matters. The first one speaks to everyone, so it'll land for no one. The second one speaks to one exact person who goes, oh my gosh, that's me. And that person, they see it and they think to themselves, I absolutely have to have that. That's the solution I've been looking for. And it's so obvious and in front of my face. So that is really the difference between that broad positioning and precise positioning. So really that creates a massive difference between a business that struggles to get traction because it stays broad and one that actually converts because it gets super precise. So again, the goal isn't a perfect program. It's actually the opposite of that. The goal is validation and to get real people in the door to generate cash flow and actually get feedback from the very beginning so you can make the best it can be from day one before you package it and before you spend your time doing that. In fact, I actually started with 8 people in my pop. And we've now grown it to over 3,000 clients from all over the world, 47 different countries. Okay, so that's the power of starting with that validation piece and starting imperfectly, which as a former perfectionist is not the easiest thing to do. So I just want to honor that. So the way most people price their expertise is totally backwards. I want to talk about this because it's so important and it's ultimately costing you a ton, right? So the mental shift is important here. You want to stop thinking about how long it takes to deliver your program. You want to stop thinking about time and you want to start thinking about what's it actually costing your potential client to not have the solution you offer? Mentally, emotionally, financially. What is the cost of staying stuck for them? That cost is the floor for your price. This is what we call value-based pricing, and it changes everything. When you price based on your time, you undercharge because your time isn't what the client is buying. They are buying the outcome, the transformation, the version of their life that exists on the other side of your program. That is what deserves a premium price. And in working with so many people, thousands of people now, this is the counterintuitive truth. Lower priced programs generate worse results. People don't take it seriously because they didn't actually really invest their mental, financial, emotional state into it. When someone makes a real investment, they're going to show up. They're going to do the work. They're going to get results. So high ticket programs done right that are really valuable serve your clients better on every level, not just your bank account. So example of this is Russell. Russell's a drummer and producer from New York. He helps musicians grow their audience and create content on social media. And before working with us, he spent months trying to piece together a course, cobbling together advice from YouTube videos and articles and AI prompts. And he was also doing one-to-one drumming lessons on the side. But obviously that's not scalable because you're capped by time. So he was a freelance musician with an unpredictable schedule, touring, gigging, and he really needed a model that worked around him, not the other way around. So he did the extraction process. He identified what he was already teaching over and over repeatedly, and he mapped the exact transformation his clients needed. Then he built the prototype, right? So he built it messy, built it live. And in 2 months, he had enrolled 17 clients and made $21,000 in his first 60 days. So today, he has cash flow, time freedom, and a foundation he's building into a 6-figure business. So you want to start with the prototype, get paid to build, not the other way around. And that's how you make it work for the long run. So the price is not about you. You need to remove all that mental chatter about money and finances and all that stuff. It's nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with the value of the transformation you actually deliver and the cost to your potential clients and them not having it. Okay, so from there, we need to talk about the packaging. The packaging structure that allows a program to scale without the creator being in every conversation is the 3 C's. So that is curriculum, coaching, and community. The 3 C's create this accelerated learning environment that allows your clients to get results while you get your time back. And yes, there is actually a 4th C, which is a cohort model that kicks off the entire process as part of your POP, your profitable offer prototype that I mentioned earlier. So this is the model that we call coaching at scale. And it is the difference between a business that grows and a business that buries you. Because when you're good at what you do, you're always going to have demand, but that demand can actually crush you, which is what happened to me. So curriculum becomes the first step. And that is really that step-by-step transformation path, that 0 to hero journey that your client follows. Every module, every lesson designed around getting them the outcome. So coaching is group delivery, not one-to-one. This is the piece that most people resist and the piece that actually changes everything. You are not giving less to your clients, you're giving more. Because in a group model, the methodology is consistent. It doesn't depend on whatever version of you showed up that day. Every client gets the full framework on repeat and it's flawless. The next part of that, the community piece, is where clients support each other. And this is an incredible aspect of it. I think it's so important now more than ever. People are craving that human connection and peers. It's where questions get answered, momentum compounds, and results multiply because people are in it together. So the 3 C's create this really accelerated learning environment where clients get results way faster. and you actually get your time back. So Nicole and Timothy, they run an education consulting business helping Black executive families navigate the crucial 8th to 9th grade transition so their children become highly competitive for top universities and major scholarships without losing their mental health, faith, or identity. They had real results for clients, but the business was inconsistent. It was heavy and it wasn't scalable. So they were doing everything one-on-one, the way everyone in their industry does it. So they restructured using the 3 C's: curriculum, defined methodology for the full journey from middle school through college admissions, coaching, group calls, separate sessions for parents and students each week, so everyone gets consistent support without individual handholding. And then the community, close-knit group where families are going through the same thing and they can support one another, which matters a lot. So that structure is what allowed them to move away from one-on-one entirely, and they built this 5-figure flagship program not because they raised their prices overnight. They gradually becoming more and more aware of the cost to their ideal client of not having this solution and validating the price point at every single stage. And someone they actually spoke to said, this is way too cheap. You should be charging more. And that was a clear signal for them of, wow, we really created something valuable here. We absolutely can choose a price point that reflects that. So today, Nicole and Timothy have served over 30 families and generated nearly $4 million in scholarships. Simple, scalable, super effective, and built around the 3 C's structure. So the lesson really here is that scale is not built around working more, which is often how people think it works. It's actually about building systems and a structure that works without you. So I think the thing to consider here is I hit a breaking point, a forced breaking point, where I had to completely revolutionize the way that I did business. And luckily from there, I've been able to help a lot of people do the same. So I want you to think 12 months from now, you could totally still be in the same position. Really great at what you do, but undervalued, over-leveraged, overextended, or you could just move in the direction of this packaged expertise in a packaged program, one that works without you in every single conversation. So way more impact. And it allows you to earn whether you are constantly present or not. So the expertise was never the question. The packaging always was. It's structure and systems. That's what it comes down to. I want to repeat that over and over again. So again, comment business plan below or click the link in the description. We'll send you the link to access our Knowledge Bank business plan for free and on demand. And I want you to go ahead and check out this video next. It goes deeper into the exact steps to build your program from zero. So it's going to help you put this into action for yourself. Let me know what your light bulbs and takeaways were in the comments. That is our love language. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.